Game ka na ba? Wala nang atrasan to.
Marriage is a truly gift of happiness. It is a gift from Almighty Father. The second one is marriage is a promise of companionship, of having someone to share all of life's experiences. Ryan, I know you really love Stephanie so much.
Of course.
Yes, of course. So you need to continue respecting her. Not only just a wife, not only just a mother to your children, but as a one true best friend. Ryan, sa tagal ng panahon na nakilala mo si Stephanie, sa tagal ng inyong pagiging magkasama bilang isa, ano ang meron kay Stephanie, Ryan? At bakit si Stephanie ang gusto mo makasama pang habang buhay?
Napaka-unique na
Unique?
tao.
Mhm.
Yung pinapakita niyang pagmamahal and yung care.
Mhm.
Like, unique ka.
Ryan said that you are the missing piece of his heart because you give him true love, you give him kindness. Most probably everything that he wanted to have a partner in life is within you. And ano naman ang meron kay Ryan, Stephanie?
Ganon din po si Ryan, mabait, maalaga. Kung pwedeng subuan ka, susubuan ka po niyan.
Mhm.
Wala ka nang gagawin, siya na lahat. Apo.
Okay.
Actually, 2020 pa to pinalan. Pero, dahil nag-COVID, na-delay. So ngayon natuloy na siya finally. Ano ba, picture pa kayo dyan? Rocky Basti? Ganon? Di pa. Kapaka-OA nyo. Dali! Ay, may pag-gift! Sorry, wala pag-gift kay Daddy. Sabi sa'yo eh. Thank you eh. I love you, Dad. Thank you so much. Nahulaan ko to. Joke.
Hindi ako showy. Hindi rin naman siya showy. Pero I think ramdam namin kung kano namin kamahal ang isa't isa. And I think that's more than enough na masabi ko na she's the one. Nag-start po kami,
Sa work lang, nag-meet doon sa same place ng work namin.
parang nakikita ko lang siya, pero hindi yung hi hello lang talaga.
Unang tingin. Mabait po, maalaga. Very caring sa anak, tsaka sa akin.
Kung isipin mo ngayon, hindi mo taga may expect na kami, na siya na pa talaga yung makakasama ko panghabang buhay.
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi?
Natawa ka talaga kanina.
Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas.
This is a type of ano.
Ikaw ang hantungan.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my eternity with you. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal kita. And yun, magsisimula na tayo ng totoong buhay pamilya. Love you.
Nung maniniwala, ika'y nasa
Ryan Cesar Araneta, do you take Stephanie Munoz to be your lawfully wedded wife, to share your life openly, standing with her in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore? Stephanie Munoz, do you take Ryan Cesar Araneta to be your lawfully wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking
The best present that you can give to your family is your time. And to God is your life. God gave us happiness. All you need to do is to embrace it with full of your love, respect, and trust. Because a happy family always receives a blessing from God.
sana'y iyong matanggap kung sino ako talaga.
Stephanie, pinapangako ko na araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Katulad lang pagmamahal ko simula nung una tayong nagkakilala. And I'll make sure na I will continue to care for you kasama si Samantha, yung anak natin. And I will be forever na grateful na dumating ka sa buhay namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ikaw yung kumpas nung naliligaw. Naging kulay ka sa langit na bukaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumayo, ikaw
Mr. Ryan Cesar Araneta, you may now kiss your wife.
na dumayo. Ikaw yung kanlungan na nahanap ko. Kahit
Ryan, I promise to love you always. Itutuloy natin kung ano yung nasimula natin. Sabay natin tutuparin yung mga pangarap natin. Kasama si baby. I love you so much.
ikaw